Let's call this, this is for Princess. May she rest in peace, eh? Alright, cue the music. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this over here is Natasha. And today we have a very special announcement. I'd like to announce the an addition of a new cast member. Come on in here. Bagheera, come on in. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bagheera. We got a new cat. Eh? So today's Ojibwe word of the day. GAAZHAGENS, cat. And you know, I didn't really want to get a new cat. You know, I used to have a cat a couple of years ago, Princess. Oh, I just love that princess. And you know, the day came where Princess became a spirit. She went off to the land of everlasting happiness. And you know, it was really hard. I really miss my kitty. And then it occurred to me, you know, I didn't want to get a cat because it was so painful to say goodbye. And but then it occurred to me, you know, you don't really honor your gifts by never by only being sad when they go away, you know. And you know, Princess was a gift. She was my best friend. And, well, I wanted to honor the gift that she was by, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm getting emotional. Anyway, we got a new cat because we also got some mice. And so I thought maybe it was time. Anyway, so this is Bagheera, and he's our new cat. We named him after Bagheera from the Black Panther in, you know, the Jungle Book. And I've said it before, if you got kids and you don't show them the Jungle Book, oh, that's child abuse. Nah, just kidding. Anyway, GAAZHAGENS, cat. And, yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to say. You want to add anything here, sweetie? Nah, that's pretty good. Alright, well hey, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is Natasha. That's Benjamin and Mukwa. And we got Steven over here. And you know, the boys. So yeah, thank you for watching. And I will see you again. Oh yeah, and of course, lest we forget our newest member, Bagheera. Alright, I will see you again. Higa wa ba min. Minawa. Oh wa.